Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of the Resideo Home app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to use Resideo, or maybe you're logged on to an old phone that you might have given away. How do you actually go ahead and log out? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is access the Resideo Home app. Next, click on the hamburger icon on the upper left-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down, and as you can see, underneath where it says About the App, click on Log Out. Now, once you've done so, that should log you out of the Resideo Home app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log out of the Resideo Home app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.